Welcome to another Fast Tip Friday. I'm Eric Stark, the host of the Smart RVer Podcast, and today we're going to talk about the Valterra 3-inch valve. And what we're going to talk about today is going to help you with any valve on your RV, whether it's 3-inch, 2-inch, 1.5 inch, Bristol, Valterra, doesn't matter. So one of the flaws or the problems you find with these valves is sometimes this handle will pull all the way out, or it won't move at all, and the valve will be in the closed position like it is here, and the holding tank will be full. Oh man, does that create an issue, right? Now, some might think you can just drill a hole in the front, but then you get all that liquid gushing out at you. I don't think you want that, a bunch of waste. Think about that for a moment. So there's always an issue. What do we do? How do we replace that? Can we get the tank emptied somehow and then take the valve out? You can't really take it apart like over a drain pan, because once you start doing that, it's just going to flood out. So it's kind of a lose-lose situation unless you can open this valve with the sewer hose connected to it. That's the key. So right here, you've probably already noticed there's a hole here. So I cut this hole here, and you can see right into the valve. And hopefully you can see the shaft here where the handle is. Oops, where am I? There we go. There's the shaft. So here's your pulling on it. It disappears, and the valve opens up. So that's okay with the sewer hose on it. So the idea is you get a hole saw, and you cut a hole in this valve. And then you can get a screwdriver or something similar to a screwdriver and push the valve open while the sewer hose connected. Now, even if you couldn't get all the way open, you get it halfway, a third, it's going to start emptying out, and that's what you want to do. This is probably the simplest way to do it. You can't go wrong doing it this way. When the valve is closed, the shaft might be in the way of the drill bit and the hole saw, so you might have to move the drill bit some, but you can just drill right in, then just pry it right out. I'm using the handle because obviously I can't see it that way. But that's all you're going to do is just pry it back with the screwdriver. If the handle is still in there and it won't move, you could possibly get some pliers, vice grips, and pull on the handle. But most of the time, the handle's gone and the valve is closed. So ever how it works out, handle's there, handle isn't there, this is the way to do it. You can't go wrong this way. It won't leak. This is not an area that's filled up with waste. It's all over here. There's seals that keep it here, so it doesn't leak into this portion, so you're safe that way. You don't have to worry about it. So this is a simple fix, so you can drain your valve safely and without making a big old mess. Keep the sewer hose on it, so you are set. So I want to thank you for stopping by today and checking out this video. We'll see you in the next one.